Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data to Google Sheet. First of all, we need to click on Add First Tab and we need to see our Google Sheet. We have a Google Sheet. We need to create a new Google Sheet and enter your name, and here is your Google Sheet. And what we need to go back to workflow and search on from submission and click on it. It is used for submissions. We need to add a title. Let's pause YouTube automation. Okay, we need to add a description. YouTube. Okay, we add the descriptions, and in this area we have form elements, and we need to click on add form elements, and in this we need to add field name. Let's suppose field name is your name. Okay, we need to choose the element type text and required field, and next we need to add one more, and in this we can add your email, and we need to change the element type to email and click on required field and one more, and we need to add your message. Okay, we need to add this form to your form text and required field, and we need to go back and click on executing step, and here we go. We have the page we have created, and here is when I do not click and did not write, this is asking me field is required when I add something. Okay, the email was not correct. Need to add an email to test.com, and here we go. It is working very good, and here we go. We have the data. Okay, next step what we need is adding a Google Sheet. Here is, we need to click on attempt row and sheet, and we need to choose your sheet. It's not working. We need to sign in again. Also, you need a client ID and secret ID, and we need to sign in again. And click select all and continue, and it is successfully connected, and we need to go back and try it again. And here we go. We have this worksheet. We need to click on this, and sheet 1 we have, and click on app map automatically and click OK. Okay, we need to go back and test it. Okay, here we go. We have the page. We need to add your name. Okay, we add all things and click on submit, and your form was submit, and go back, and here we go. We have one item in our worksheet, and we need to go and check it. Here we go. We have, okay, we have your name, your email and message and submit time. We have uploaded and from more test, and always working. And thanks for watching. This is our workflow. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.